my new boat. Whoosh, whoosh, whoa, whoa, whoosh. It's raining so hard. I know. I wish we could go outside so my boat could have a proper adventure on the wide open sea.
Poor Oakley, outdoors in all this rain.
I don't mind. My roots haven't had such a big, long drink in years.
Maybe we should have picked another day to go camping.
But this is perfect, Archie. We can test the tent to see if it's waterproof.
I just wish it wasn't so cramped in here.
Oh, no. Don't tickle my nose. Oh, that's gonna make me...
No, don't sneeze! You'll blow the tent down! Quick, pinch your nose!
Look your ears!
Think of penguins!
The tent may be waterproof, but it isn't sneeze-proof.
Oh, sorry.
Hey, come on, let's get it back up. Up a bit, Big Bear. Whoa! Down a bit, Will.
It stopped raining.
Whoa! Let's go!
It's lovely to be outside. Oh, but everything's still very wet.
The sandpit is still a bit small. I'm going to try the pool at the showground. See you later.
Oh, Rosie, come quickly. There's been a flood.
Oh, no! It must have been all that rain.
And look, Mrs. Maudie and our son. They're stuck over there on the other side.
But the bridges are underwater. How can we rescue them? You could try and sail across on this. Oh.
Oh, dear. I don't think that'll do at all. But that might. It's a perfect boat. Come on, son. Off we sail.
You're going to need a better boat. Of course! Raggles!
Wow! This is even bigger than the showground. Perfect for sailing my boat.
And your first passengers are waiting.
Welcome aboard.
Come on, little one. Off we sail.
Row, row, row your brolly gently down the stream.
Row your brolly gently down the stream.
Merrily, merrily, merrily.
Sails on the alley-alley-o.
Like a ship
The
sails on the
alley-alley-o. The
alley-alley-o.
alley-alley-o.
The
Raggles ship sails on the alley-alley-o.
Raggles
On the
ship
last
sails
day
on
of
the alley-alley-o. On the
September.
last day of September.
Don't worry, my dears. We're here to rescue you. Eh? Where are they?
Don't worry, my lovelies. We're here to rescue you. Hey, where've they gone?
There they are. Wait there. We'll come and get you.
Oh, there they are, over there. We're on our way.
We were coming to rescue you.
And we were coming to rescue you.
The antenna.
It's out of control. Oh, no. The oar. The antenna's broken. I can't control it.
Oh, dear. Now we're stuck.
And there's no wind, so we can't even use my hat as a sail.
At least we're all together. But how are we going to get back to dry land now?
Oh, not again. I know! Bluebird, can you fly to the umbrella and pull it back?
Oh, I can try. Sorry, I'm not strong enough.
Okay, so I can't throw the rope far enough and you can't pull the umbrella. But what if you fly the rope over and tie it on? Then I pull it back. Yes!
Great idea.
Aha! This calls for a special knot. The clove hitch.
Never fear, Rosie. We'll rescue the Mordies.
In a jiffy.
Thank you. I knew you'd be able to help. Oh. Again! I'm sorry I've wasted your time. It looks like no one needs rescuing after all.
Not with Raggles' rope, Fairy. Climb on board, Matt and Nat.
Oh, this is what I call...
Travelling in style. Oh no! It's stuck!
The floodwater's draining away.
Thank you.
Ah, thank you, Raggles, for rescuing us and for your marvellous rope ferry service. Oh, hooray for Raggles!
Hey! Look out! Coming into land!
You can't. There's nowhere to land. Look at all these toys.
Huh, good point.
I like playing inside on rainy days, but it makes a terrible mess. I know. Let's clean and tidy up the playhouse.
Oh, that doesn't sound much like fun. Why can't we play shops instead?
Oh, look! The sun's shining. I know a way we can play shops and get the house clean at the same time. Come on, Raggles, let's get busy.
Roll up, come and buy our special smoothies. Oh, yummy.
Ooh, looks tasty.
We've got a special offer today. Do one chore to help us get the playhouse clean and get a smoothie free.
I don't normally do chores, but those smoothies do look tasty.
Great. It's a deal then.
You'll be needing these. You missed a bit.
Oh, thanks. Aren't you supposed to be helping?
I am, but I think I'll do the windows round the back of the playhouse instead.
Don't forget your cloth.
Thanks. Nice doing business with you.
The pleasure's all mine.
Oh, sorry, Bluebird. I didn't mean to wake you.
Wake me? I wasn't sleeping, resting my eyes, that's all. I've had a very tiring day. And you were going much too fast.
I know! Isn't my ghost speeder brilliant?
No, it's filthy. It could do with a clean.
I don't do clean. But I like the look of that smoothie. Where did you get it?
From Rosie and Raggles' store.
I'm on my way.
But you don't get them for free. Hello, Will. Would you like a smoothie too?
Oh, yes, please.
That will be a box of toys put away, please.
What, me? Tidy up? No way. I don't clean or tidy for anyone. Bluebird is right. My ghost speeder is really mucky. Maybe Rosie and Raggles have the right idea. But what could I swap to get my ghost speeder cleaned? Ouch! Ah, I know how to get my ghost speeder cleaned without lifting a finger.
Who's that?
It's Will. I wonder what he wants.
Let's find out.
Ta-da! Welcome to my shop, everyone.
Ooh.
What are you selling? I can't see anything.
Ah, that's because this isn't any ordinary shop. My shop is very cheap, and it delivers too.
Wow.
All you have to do is help to clean my ghost speeder, and then I will deliver a delicious, freshly picked apple. So who would like one of my delicious apples?
Oh, me please.
Yes, please.
There you go. And mind the paintwork.
But this is our idea.
And these are our customers.
Not anymore, they're not.
Now we're out of business.
Does that mean what I think it means? Oh, it's not half as much fun tidying up when there's only two of us.
Hey!
Look out! Coming into land!
You can't. There's nowhere to land. Look at all these toys.
Huh, good point.
I like playing inside on rainy days, but it makes a terrible mess. I know. Let's clean and tidy up the playhouse.
Oh, that doesn't sound much like fun. Why can't we play shops instead?
Oh, look! The sun's shining. I know a way we can play shops and get the house clean at the same time. Come on, Raggles, let's get busy.
Roll up, come and buy are gusting in my whole life. Oh, this is how you pay me after all that hard work. You must pay us all back.
Oh, but I don't know how to pay you back. I only have apples. Lots of them.
Ahem. I've got an idea. What if we joined both our shops together?
Yes, I'll do anything. But what good would that do?
The apples might not be good for eating, but if I sweeten them up with some of the delicious fruits from my smoothies, they'd make great apple drinks.
And the ghost speeder makes a great mobile shop.
Brilliant! Thanks, Rosie and Raggles.
Come and get it!
Hooray!
Here you go. I hope these taste better than the sour apples I gave you.
I think they do, Will. I think they do.
Your metal detector's great, Raggles.
Yes, and I just know we're going to find treasure buried deep underground. Oh, treasure! Quick, dig it up!
Ooh, I can't. It's so cold, the ground is frozen solid.
But how will we get the treasure?
Don't worry, I've got an idea.
Wow! That looks looks amazing.
Yep, and it will easily dig through frozen soil.
I wonder what the treasure will be. Maybe a crown, or a gold bar, or a shield covered with jewels, or
A rusty spoon.
a rusty spoon. Oh,
Never mind. I'm hungry. Let's have something to eat. What? You ate them both?
I didn't. You did.
No, I didn't.
Ooh, I wonder what this treasure will be. A diamond bracelet, a silver locket, a golden goblet.
A rusty fork.
Oh.
Well, I have to go now. See you later.
Don't forget your dried apricot.
No, of course not. Oh, no. It's gone.
We've had food go missing today, too.
It's been very strange. I've got an idea. I'll just put this box of yummy food down here and leave it while we all go away. Oh, hello there. Come back. We're not cross. We just want to know what's going on.
I'm sorry. I've been taking all your food. It's been such a long winter, and I can't find where I've buried a lot of my nuts. I'm Susie, by the way.
Oh, it's been a bad winter for us too. Not much food to go around.
Then we'll all help you to find more food, won't we?
Yes. I know which berries you can and can't eat. Let's try this way.
So far, we've got some rusty forks and spoons and a button.
Ooh, I wonder what this treasure will be. A diamond ring, a ruby necklace. Oh, it's more rubbish, isn't it?
I think it's time to give up.
I think you're right. Hey, what's inside it? A treasure map!
Look! X marks the spot. And that dotted line must be the way to the treasure.
But what do these other symbols mean? A rocket blasting off, 3 balloons in a giant bowl, scoops of ice cream with an enormous wafer sticking out of them.
That looks like a rocket blasting off. Here's the rocket. Oh, it's just a tree.
But look, 3 balloons in a giant bowl. Here are the 3 balloons in a giant... Oh, it's just some bushes.
But look! Scoops of ice cream with an enormous wafer sticking out of them.
Oh, hi, Will. Hi, Raggles. What are you doing?
We were doing a treasure hunt, but this map is useless.
That looks like the map I made of where I buried my nuts.
It doesn't make any sense.
That's because you've got it upside down.
So what we thought was a rocket...
Was the fountain?
Ha!
Of course. And the balloons in the giant bowl? dance ring.
Oh, yes! And the ice cream scoops and wafer? Oakley!
Which means my nuts are buried here. Oh no! The ground is frozen solid.
No problem.
Well, we'll have plenty of food this winter, thanks to you all.
But where should we keep it all if the ground is too hard to bury it? I know! Perfect!
And we finally managed to cook our food. Tuck in, everybody!
Hooray!